Hey girlies, it's Augusta. All the hot girls know that hair is the most important accessory, so hair care is one of my top priorities. It honestly should be yours too. I dye my hair so I get a full head of blonde highlights, and I have for over a decade. My hair is in pretty good condition considering. It feels very healthy, even more than a lot of people who don't dye their hair. And I'm not saying that to brag, I'm just saying that as evidence for what I'm going to be showing you in this video is key and actually works and gives results. I've done this long term. I hope that this will help you guys on your hair care, hair health journey, and it will just give you some tips and tricks. Make sure you stay till the end so that you can get all the tips and literally take notes on this, because it's been a game changer, and I've even had hairdressers tell me that my hair got thick from the last time that I'd been there, so it definitely works. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, as well as checking out my other socials if you just wanna glow up and be part of like the girly girl glow up fam. There's so much going on with the makeup and skincare that hair often gets left behind, but let me tell you, it is one of the most important things in your beauty routine. Hair care will genuinely transform your whole look, because if your hair looks good, then you look good. Even if you have no makeup look on, a bouncy, healthy blowout is just gonna like rock your look. My hair is not looking the best because it's hair wash day, and that's because I'm about to go in with what I do before every hair wash is I use a hair mask. I am a fan of a lot of different hair masks, and it does depend slightly on your hair type, but my favorite is the Pantene Keratin Reconstruct Mask. This honestly is so good because it has keratin in it, and when I leave the hair mask in, the keratin really infuses in my hair, and that way when I dry my hair, the heat activates the keratin and makes it nice and silky straight. And as a girl with frizzy wavy hair, this is a lifesaver. If you're looking for more soft hair care, something that's affordable is the Tresemme Professional line. They have some really good stuff too. Their hair mask has made my hair super soft and silky, so that's a really good alternative too. So I'm gonna go ahead right now and apply my hair mask. I dampen my hair a little bit, but it's mostly dry, and I just use the product on my hands. Sometimes I'll put in a little bit of hair oil. So if you really want to be extra, you can go in and put hair oil as well as your hair mask, or you can do one or the other, whatever you prefer. I'm going to be mixing the Gissu honey infused hair oil, just a pipette, into my hair mask so that I can just make sure my hair really gets the full benefits and at-home kind of salon treatment. I mix these together and they honestly smell so divine. And then I evenly spread it out through the hair, focusing mostly on the ends because obviously that's where you get the most breakage. Then I go in with my cute little baby Tangle Teaser. I think that the Tangle Teaser hairbrushes are the best for wet hair or damp when I have a hair mask in, because they just brush everything out so smoothly and nicely. And then when I have dry hair, I use my wooden hairbrush here. This is unbranded, but I would recommend using a wooden hairbrush, especially if your hair is prone to frizz. So now that the product is all evenly distributed throughout my hair, I just go and put this in a slick back hairstyle until I actually go and wash it. I'll usually go and do a workout or something and then sauna and then wash it. So this will be in for like a good hour. Or if I'm just at home, I can leave it in all day. But as long as you have, just leave it in, even if it's only 10 minutes. And I've tied it back in this cute little ponytail. Sometimes I do a braid or a little bun, but you can just make it look cute. And honestly, it's like giving you an extra day of hair while you're making it healthy, rather than using some unhealthy slick back products, because they can be damaging to your hair, especially like the glues and the gels. So now all we've used is a hair mask and some hair oil. In terms of my in-shower routine, I've been really loving the Kerastase line. I use the Blonde Absolute because I'm blonde, but they have some really good repair ones and anti-frizz ones as well. The shampoo and the Cica Flash conditioner, they're kind of purple tinted, which helps with brassiness and keeping my hair nice and light. And when I really want to brighten up my hair, which is most washes about once every week or once every other week, I'll go in with this Elvive L'Oreal Purple shampoo. It really helps with the blonde, so if you're struggling with brassiness, you can mix a bit of this in with your hair mask or with your shampoo that you usually use that's like healing or bond building, and it really helps tone, but it is very purple, so try not to get it everywhere. I like to double shampoo, so I'll shampoo first kind of roughly, and then the second time I find that it's so much easier to get a nice foam and really clean in your hair with a lot less product. So if you're struggling on really cleaning your scalp, I would advise shampooing twice, because it's actually less effort for me because it's easier to get all the dirt out rather than shampooing once for a really long amount of time. Then I use this conditioner as mentioned, and sometimes I'll mix a hair mask with the conditioner, especially if I don't have time to leave in the hair mask beforehand. So if you forget, you can always do it in the shower. You can even use a hair mask instead of conditioner. I'll usually hair mask in the shower with my conditioner and now before. So I'm gonna go shower and then show you guys later on what I do afterwards to keep my hair healthy, basically. So now that I've washed my hair and it's like 70% dry, because the front bit's dry so much quicker, I usually go in with a few different products. So as you can see, my hair's like naturally kind of like curly, frizzy, so I always style it with heat. But first I've gone in with my Gisou leave-in conditioner. I love this one because it's such a smart design. This is like a long spray, so you spray it once and the spray is like 3 seconds long. You don't have to keep like spraying it 100 times, because that is actually so annoying, and like if your hands have product on them then it gets all slippery. So honestly, very innovative Gisou, how do you say it? I don't know. The next two products on my rotation at the moment are the Tresemme Lamella Shine. This is just really good for adding some shine into my hair, especially if you have more wavy or frizzy hair. Because I think if you have naturally straight hair, you're just blessed, okay? I know everyone wants what they don't have, but it's just so much easier if you have straight hair, because you just can let it air dry and it looks perfect. And then for heat protectant, I have the Tresemme heat protectant, but I also have this Wella Ultimate Repair one, and you just apply this 30 seconds before you blow dry your hair with heat, and then it's perfectly ready to activate. So I'm gonna go in and use my Dyson Airstraight, and it's basically a hairdryer and a straightener in one. You basically just use it like a straightener, but you can do it on wet hair obviously, and there's different temperatures. I usually do it on the highest one because I like my hair to be like really straight if I'm doing it straight, or if I'm doing curls then I'll do like my heatless curls or whatever. If you want me to do a full Dyson tutorial, let me know. I'll be happy to give you guys a little tutorial on how I use my Dyson Airstraight, because it's so easy to use. And I think it's better than the Airwrap. I've had both. Also the Airwrap is like a lot harder to use. This one is super easy. I'm gonna go in and dry my hair and then show you the results. Look at the difference, guys. I literally just roughly did the front pieces, and you can see I've got my curly kinks here and this side that I just used only on this section. Like, look how good that is. So now the final step, now that my hair is all dry and it's got nice volume at the moment, but I'm going to bed shortly, so it will kind of be less poofy in the morning. But I'm going in with hair oil. Make sure that you use hair oil every other night, even every night, just like a little pipette. But then when I've just dried it, I like to use a bit more because it just really hydrates the ends and just like helps nourish them and makes your hair look a lot healthier, especially because my hair is quite dry. Obviously don't put the oil on your roots because you don't want your hair to look greasy. I like this hair oil. I also really love the Kerastase Glaze Drops. That oil smells so good. I could basically be a perfume. Look how nice and straight and hydrated my hair looks, and it literally took just over 10 minutes to dry it with the Dyson. Hair is like such a big part of your glow up and looking good and just your overall look, and I have loads of glow up tips, you guys know, but if you're new here, I also have a glow up course that all the details are in the caption, so go check that out if you want to glow up to your best self and you're really serious about taking it to the next level, because I've literally compiled all my knowledge. I'd love to share it with you if you guys want to join along for the journey, so don't forget to check out the details below. As you can see, look how silky and healthy my hair look. I'm just going to give you guys a few real tips because it's not all about hair care, even though that's one of the main parts of it and how your hair is going to look good. Make sure you're styling it, because if you're just letting it air dry and you don't have naturally like really silky smooth hair, it's just not going to look as good. That might be why you're like, oh, why is my hair not looking so good? It's like the heat does make it look good, so just get a good heat protectant. Also, supplements have really helped me grow my hair. Obviously, I'm not a doctor, but I take the Free Soul Mango Greens and I genuinely think they made my hair grow thicker. Even my hairdresser said. So if that's not evidence, then I don't know what is. And look how silky and smooth my hair looks from the back. It's all real, no extensions. And then I go to sleep now, so if I was going out now, I'd probably do it so it's a bit less poofy, but I like a bit of volume, and because in the morning I'm going to wake up and it's going to be super silky smooth. Hope you guys liked this tutorial and it's given you some help, some information. Comment your favorite hair care products that you use or that I showed in this video. Please subscribe because it really helps me and it will be just a win-win. You can glow up with me. I can teach you all my tips. I'm spilling the honest tea. And also check out my other socials linked in the description, as well as all the products will be linked to, as always. Thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate you. Sending you so much love. Bye.